Is your Spectrum Remote's fast-forward button not working? The most common causes are signal issues, button problems, or settings conflicts. First, make sure there's a clear line of sight to your Spectrum receiver if you have an IR remote. For RF remotes, ensure it's properly paired. Try replacing the batteries with fresh AA or AAA batteries and removing any obstructions. A quick fix is to restart your Spectrum receiver by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. You can also try reprogramming the remote through the settings menu using the setup code 00000 if needed. These steps resolve a significant portion of fast-forward issues quickly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the problem might be deeper. Check for interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers. Resetting the remote by holding the power and OK buttons for 5 seconds can also help. Ensure your TV's HDMI CEC settings aren't interfering, especially with newer 4K TVs. Spectrum is increasingly focusing on app-based and voice-controlled remotes. Voice commands like fast forward 30 seconds are becoming more reliable. Also, look out for firmware updates through the Spectrum app, which can resolve many remote issues automatically. Spectrum plans to deploy AI-driven diagnostics for remote issues, potentially fixing problems before they affect you, with older models being phased out.